In this video, I'm going to show you how to book your first focus flight. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you went ahead and download and install Focus Flight, the Focus Timer. So from here, we need to click on OK. So basically, we just want to go through the main intro screens here and click Continue. Where's the key? How can I get in a hyperfocus? So now it's going to show you just the intro and click on Let's Get Started. Now from here, you're going to see a boarding pass. So every flight is a journey of deep focus from takeoff to touchdown. Every flight marks a milestone in your focus journey. So click continue again. Now we need to go ahead and allow these permissions to get started, because if we don't, we're not going to be able to run this app. So grant permissions to these. So enable usage data and display over other apps. So I'm going to enable these, then click continue. Then from here, allow Focus Flight to send you notifications, click allow, and then choose your focus scenario. So I'm going to do meditate and click continue. Now we can choose your map style. I'm going to choose monochrome. That looks quite cool. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on start journey. Now this is where we can book our first focus flight. So you can use your current location or use a random location. So I might just do a random location. So I want to start from here, click confirm. And now I'm going to choose my destination. So I might do Great Falls. And from here, I'm just going to simply book my flight. And then we've got to find a seat. The ones that have crosses on there are occupied, so be mindful of that. And then if we go ahead and choose, say, row C, seat number 9. Now, what do you want to focus on? So I chose meditate, so I'm going to click that and then continue to check in. Now it's going to give us a rundown of our seat. It should. Here it is here. So gate, seat, class, distance, and date. So this is our ticket. And simply check in. Then once you check in, click on proceed. And then click onto boarding. Now you can see your ticket has been ripped because you've just got in the plane. So cabin doors closed, ready for takeoff. So this is how to book your first focus flight. Now you can see here the time remaining and your distance remaining.